Alright, the recorder should be working now, so I'll go into web indexing and I'll open the batch that I already have, the one that acted up before with the ruler. I think it's opening the way it did last time. So I'm going to start by turning the ruler off and closing the batch. You need a song to sing when things are slow. Actually, I remember closing it with the image in a normal position, but the ruler was on. Okay, so your batch opens like this. The very first thing you do is you come over here and you rotate your image. You get going with something like this and you're going to want to turn the ruler on. Ruler comes on the wrong way. So yes, I could replicate this every day till this batch expires. Okay, so the workaround apparently, close the batch, having turned the ruler off. The workaround apparently is to go against all instincts and turn the ruler on before you rotate. But we shouldn't have to do that. So if I turn the ruler on while it's the wrong way, and then if I rotate my image, the ruler's good. No! Oh man, did you see that? It was good for a split second. And then I started enlarging my image and it went vertical again. Maybe there's not a workaround. Okay, got the image bigger. Let's try it again. Okay, turn off the ruler, close the batch. Open the batch. I'll make it bigger first. Now I'll turn on the ruler. So far so good. Totally not the way I would do it normally. Okay. Maybe that... No! As soon as you click the screen, your workaround is gone. Okay. Definitely a bug. I'm on my regular 7-year-old Dell computer, Windows 10, Chrome.